please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling. Bling bling. I said bling bling. Doot, 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 doot. Let me try again. Bling bling.
Try again. Bling line, hello.
Hi, listen. I understand that there was a complaint about me calling. I actually had my wife receive a very scary email from you guys saying that I'm getting a little bit too familiar with the staff. So I'm just going to ask for go ahead to start the show today.
Yes, go ahead. Please enjoy your show. Thanks, Mr. Ndima.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. You see, that's how that should work. Not like no one says.
What? Come on. And then our show is going to be like 8 minutes short.
No, that's fine. Everyone will be okay.
Otherwise, what's up, everybody?
Hi, everyone. I hope you guys are well. Welcome back to the Bling Line. With me, Talita Ndima, and this guy, Zuko Ndima. This is a show by you, for you, where we read your messages.
There we go. Talita has eaten it all. You eaten them all. So what's left for me to do is to jump straight into the comments.
Where did I eat them all come from again? What, the commercial?
Yeah, maybe. I think so. Yeah, so jumping straight into it, we have Upumi who says, Hi Bandase, it happens to the best of us. 1 minute you don't care about sports. Next you're screaming, Ref, are you blind? Because someone's son is a fan.
Was he influenced?
Whoa!
Is he influenced?
Hi, for me it's rugby. I started watching because those rugby boys are really cute. As for plans, I'm heading to the lollies. The city will drain you fast, especially when you've been running on fumes. Going home is honestly elite self-care for me. The quiet, the fresh air, and the way family just recenters. Hey, I thought it was a new word. The way family just recenters you without even trying. Guys,
You know, some people are from the city, though.
100%, but I'm more on the first point of Nina, into lady introduce amachita kuzo.
Ucheba inzipho, uclean toilet, yabona into ezinjalo.
Uvala
itopi, things of life.
I was at a men's event that I was emceeing, and then I said to them, yeah, so housekeeping on the left, you'll find the toilets. Don't worry, you don't have to put the seat down.
I never know what. Kafur.
Yeah, but you know what? I'm glad you guys are enjoying. And it seems to be a thing. You guys are very supportive.
This is my whole chat. Yeah. And then, uzomosha laputi, then you are stuck with that team.
Now, my question is, yes.
Yes.
Lo wakho mdala ebengumntu weArsenal. Benomntu omtsha ofavor Chelsea. Then ke ngokuthini?
Then you guys are rivals, obviously.
Okay. But I suppose it's better because you know the sport.
Exactly.
So there is that kind of banter that gets introduced.
Sometimes.
Ne? Oh.
Sometimes boys don't want to have banter with girls about sports.
They don't want to have banter with girls about sports because the girls don't understand. But once you understand, I feel like it's a fair conversation.
Yeah, but how are you supposed to understand if no one wants to talk to you about it?
Now you know about football, and now you meet someone who's on the opposite team. Come on, I mean, I always live for that also, bro.
I hate it so much.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, because and now I understand when Arsenal.
People talk about Arsenal like it's the worst team in the world.
I mean,
we're always number 2. So Teteleleka.
Number 2.
Yes.
Okay, that's another word for lost. As for plans,
you know what a word for lost is wolves. If you support wolves, you know what lost is all about.
Absolutely. ezilalini. But ezilalini mfondini masa uyawunguyo uyogqibezela ezi fumes because kuyaphangelwa ezilalini. Kuyasetyenzwa ezilalini.
Oh, in terms of like work, like
Spring cleaner,
Yeah.
ndondono, painter, njalo fondini.
I mean, it depends.
Yeah, but you look, I guess, sometimes when you're doing something that you really enjoy around people that you really enjoy and love,
It doesn't seem
feel
like work, yeah.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
100%. Thank you for that, Pumi.
Oh, we'd ask people
Yes,
this
correct.
week, yeah. Oh. So Faith says, I forgot to cancel my Strava free trial last year. Do you guys pay for Strava? I'm only
89 rand.
a month.
Monthly.
I realized when I was getting insufficient fund notifications whilst trying to order food on Mr. D. It was only just $2.79 because I'm a student, but I had plans for that money. $2.79. I refused to go down without trying.
You missed a deal wakho lo at 279 was a student. Una missed a deal at 279. Who? Uyandistressa ke mina ke online ordering. Sikibe ngani ndiyabethwa.
I refused to go down without trying, so I emailed them, and after a whole 6 weeks, I got my refund and I still had access to the premium offering. I still feel guilty about the fact that I used premium Strava without paying for it, but hey, man.
Yeah, look, Faith, that's about to come to an end because you just snitched on yourself.
No, but it was last year, and she's speaking as if it happened and ended, yeah.
Oh, okay. Did you make the most of it? How many kilometers did you run on that Strava?
Tell us more.
Yeah, yeah, look, I think the subscription thing has been the biggest life hack, guys. Siyabethwa man ngaphandle apha.
Secretly.
So yeah, I've been so happy and glad to cancel everything that I needed to cancel. Ezinye ke ndiphinde download. Awuphelile umsindo. Hey, the human spirit.
You can't take it anywhere but forward.
Yo, ndangam, I don't know how many times I've cancelled my Apple Music. Ndiphinde.
Why?
There's too many things to keep up with, man. Emculweni. Oh, Goku. Hey, Fendi. Goku. Oh,
That's so old.
Yeah, no, bro.
Okay. Sharp.
So, you know, thank you for that, Faith. Uvumile Mkhize uthi, heard Zuko. Say Yorl don't celebrate Christmas. Is there a specific
That's so
reason?
badly. Do you want
What?
to start over?
Say Yorl. Say Yorl. What did I read badly?
Heard Zuko.
Yes, that's what I said.
I heard Zuko say y'all don't celebrate Christmas.
Oh, I make me find class in confused. My punctuate. I heard Zuko. It looks like heard Zuko, like the veal.
Yeah. Heard Zuko say y'all don't
Okay.
celebrate Christmas.
That's what we say. Like,
Is there any specific reason as to why y'all don't celebrate? Well, y'all don't, curiosity.
I think it's the way that we were raised, being a celebratory Christmas, in our home. In the ndandiyenza mina ndami sikiplate emakhaya ngamakhaya. Ndandiplana wena ba hey bawukazi sekulawa yiChristmas mosphako wenu. Ndihambe ndiyophaka pha yini mzali wami. So yeah, I think
Is it religious? I don't know.
Yilena Ntshoyo, but it was never, I don't know, it was never put like that. We just never celebrated
Yeah,
it.
we never asked also because we didn't grow up with it, but we just knew other people did it. But there's a lot of stuff that other people did that we don't do either, so it wasn't a thing for us.
Yes, 100%. So, okay, yeah, that was just as part of what that was. So I said, but you know, it's not Christmas.
These days.
Ngena siphuma wena.
There's gifts now. There's decorations now.
Must be no secret Santa mna nawe.
Next. Thanks, Vumile, for that. I hope we explained it.
Yo, ndayiyeka le mfutshane comment yathatha linde. OBM_M uthi, I feel like you were both born in a different generation. Your children will be going on TikTok to tell us how you both got scammed. If we were born in a different generation. 10 subscriptions, 400 for WeTransfer. I feel like this is how people help a prince from a particular African country flag inserted. Find his inheritance.
Nigerian flag.
Also, I feel like for a couple of years now, December has not been December. The older we grow, the more we realize how costly this month is. And if you don't buy your own Christmas clothes, no one is doing that for you, son alarm. Growing up ruined December. Idangari. You now start thinking about January and how it has 8 weeks instead of 4, and you're down to your last 200. December. Funding. We didn't even need to be born in a different generation. The corn sisi abo wasikenywa. Ekapa into enzima. Siyabula sibarisela ngenye imini.
Oh, how I lost my phone.
Kwawisi.
By picking up money that wasn't mine and sharing it with a stranger by the train station in the stranger.
I've
already told the story. I'm not telling it again.
Oh, Talita. Hey, bakucheleza.
Why would I even tell you that knowing the kind of person you are?
It's not about me. It's not about me. It's about the people that we're saving.
Son, if you pick up money, don't pick it up. Leave it.
If you pick up money, don't pick it up.
It's not even real money. Some guy's gonna come ask you to help. To split it with you because
no, Susan, report. Ambani and the police station walk 2 blocks that way. Lo guy ashiye ID. Yakhe phone yakhe ahamba buye ephethe statement. Then be game yakho. Now because we yikubanjwa. Yibona yo, banande kufunisile usabela inombolo. Then ke ngokgrade. Now ushiye phone ne ID.
Phone
to make sure uzabuya fonini. I-ID ne-phone okanye phone ke if awuyiphethanga i-ID.
That's intense.
Which is why ndingayiphathi i-ID.
Because I thought you shit. That's so whack.
Yeah, look, this is the next comment. Sorry, I'm just like, why did I read this part? Yeah, no, it is very costly, and I think more than also masizike again, but just think about Christmas.
No, never.
Nandafundiswa lando mna ndiyazi ke ndafundiswa ngubani ba hayi ngona sidura impahla ngoDecember. Nini sibe sesele ngoJanuary. Phini ngenayo nenjani ngoJanuary for uthengisa.
And the sales in January are lit.
Yeah, apparently.
Excuse me. Masixole Bhuru uthi andinazo kwa plans for December.
Don't worry, December's got plans for you.
Ndizose ndiyofuna umsebenzi qha.
Washa.
Kuvaliwe sifemini
masixole. Friend uzaye ezindaweni apho abantu. Stand kaloku zo candy floss, restaurants, yayibona njalo.
We are definitely going to miss you guys when you take your long-awaited break. It's very much needed, considering how hard you've been working on your podcast and the different shows you guys have under Sibling Thriving. Be safety too.
Yeah, no,
thanks,
saba safety. Hayi saba safety, fake safety belt ngoba sek driver thina manje. All the best for your December. I hope you have a really good one. No aluki tire. Let's hope masixola kafani nawo awunawuqeshwa wena ba. Apho uzofika uthi Samgelisiwe 07 uthi mina bethuna nami also supporting Ganas. And ndiqale this year earlier. Reason why I started supporting it is because of Bukayo Saka.
Salango Bukayo. I'll tell you that for sure.
Bukayo.
Yes.
Ngicaba ngumuntu olapha eSouth Africa ngalo. It's
the guy I said was my favorite player, soccer.
What's his name?
Bukayo.
Tango Bukayo. I don't want to lie. I only knew him, but now bakhona abanye esingabazi only because they scored on the previous games. Okunye nokunye sobuya sikubone Nkosi yam.
That's so funny. We our derby was on this past weekend.
Derby, Lord. Derby. Totally derby. Fine. Whoa.
Remember you were asking me who our rivals were?
Yeah.
And I told you it was Tottenham.
Mm-hmm.
So basically Tottenham clear weekend. What a great game. We won 4-1.
Oh, is it?
That's right.
Oh, Musa said about betting a winner.
Uh-oh.
Fair. Okay.
You don't know Balisa?
No, that's fine.
Do you know like my...
Uh-oh. Mm-hmm.
Eze scored 3 goals. Excuse me. And Odegaard. But what I'm trying to say is that, you know, when people like when people play a game and then one team obviously has to lose, and then they still want to interview the losing team. I hate that so much.
You have to talk.
Why?
What happened? Yeah, so what you gonna do next time?
Leave us alone.
She's like, because clearly you don't have a clue what you're doing. So now, if you talk through it, maybe you'll get a few points, hints here and there. That's all I'm saying. All right, Makuja. I ain't interview a winning team, in fact. Thank you for that, Samgelisiwe. Uzola oyo uthi ayini guys mnandi menyo kumigidi time 4. Wa yo gaske ndiyife. Fandini akoluki wena uyapi? Shukuya ba ufuna ukuya into embi. When I'm quiet, I've got something in common. And into embi is that icekwa likum next year ngo June. Uyolusa.
So she has to go to.
So uyovela ke ukwenzela ba nathi sivele kuwe. On top of that, my daughter is starting grade 8. So uniform ijonge nam. I hate December. You are son.
You're doing a lot, Zola.
What? Yes, but I got December kodwa lokumoshileyo. Ngabantwana. Yakona uba ubungolusi next year. Nomntana ba bengenzi grade 8.
Go grand.
Azikho isikole ezinxiba isivisi okokoko. Why?
Because we were colonized by the British.
It's a scam.
Yes.
It's a scam in the uniform.
Yeah.
Can't get it PTA meetings.
No, guys, I saw scam.
Why?
If abantu bebenxiba isivisi okokoko, you'd have to buy more clothes.
It's fair.
Yeah.
Oh, fair.
Yeah.
Fair,
so
fair.
it's better into your uniform, Zana,
Oh,
because
okay.
abantu kubabona babuya banjani ne-shirt zibuya zinjani umuntu wabuya equbhukile. Oh, stop.
Okay, no fair. No, I definitely get it then when it comes to that. Hey, I need to start thinking like a parent. His thoughts is CVs every day. What does I say charge one time like CVs? Buddha when abantwana angeke the worst.
I think it would be so bad if isikolo apha were, because then abantwana nabo bafuna ukhompyutha ngoku ufakelwe ipressure ba funeka uyothenga into ntoni because bathi abantwana
icima nepressure lando uniform. So yeah, it's a good idea. Son, we mentioned good PTA meetings. It's fine, guys. Let's find other things to mention. Maklisu school fees. Thank you for that, Zola, and all the best. Kumntana ka grade 80. Enjoy nemigidi wethu. Phofa uzobukhala xa usemgidini akumande emgidini uzabe wonwabile pha. So
into nemande emgidini.
Ukucula fonini comradari. Yayibona Moslando. Baya, uyavimba mama lapha. Satana udanile. Yayibona Mosonke zonto eziya.
Yeah, I'm not having fun at Mgidi, that's for sure.
Ne?
Not for all the hours that the Mgidi's partaking is doing.
Have you never had fun Mgidi?
I mean, imikide esekhaya, those are fun because
Mgidi wami uyawukhumbula. I have fun pha.
Dali busy. Qoquzela.
Go nangona ndaphuma ngezikomsi. All the best, Zola. Thank you for that.
Uthi indixoza. Tina asivali emsebenzini. So my Decembers are always spent up eGoli. And I'm always so jealous of my siblings when I see them attending immediately and stuff. What is it that you do, Ningavali? Asivali.
Not every company can close. Funding got December. Someone needs to keep the
like
the
if you
wheels
work at
turning.
the airport, if you
Yeah,
work
and
at a bus company,
exactly.
if you work at a telcom, at a what.
And so, okay, there's a lot of companies that well, there's certain people that can go and leave, but other people they can't go and leave because they need to keep the wheels turning. Bus company wheels turning. I love it. And you will get FOMO, hey, from Eza posts a Mikiti, ne outfiti, na bandu be post this story.
Yeah, dude, because people are living their best lives. People are having so much fun. People are bapholile, bahlenge families zabo, right?
Bone pha kwesakho kuvalwe isihlato. Umneighbor phone umqondo, wow, Jojo. Yeah, but yeah. Yeah, look, someone needs to keep the wheels turning. Thank you so much for being the great contributor that you are to our GDP. Without people like you, mhlawumbe ngesingayihostanga ne-G20, so siyabulela.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
In your next comment, let us know what it is that you do.
Yeah. Zoe Netani Uti, you can dispute the subscription payment on Apple. I got my full refund in less than 3 days. Hey, okay. That's a nice trick. Maybe we should try that. We dispute.
What does she mean on Apple?
The Apple Play Store, not Play Store, Apple Store. Yeah, you can go there and say maybe cancel or refund. And I think especially for these things, there's a scammer your man phone. You download the Bible app. Next thing, AI bots, $39. Yeah, that's fair, and that's something that we should look into definitely. Thank you for that, Zoe.
Abigail Mukwena. Is this? Oh, Abigail. Oh my, OMG. Thank you, Tamzubela, for the tip of checking our subscriptions. Just cancelled 4 subscriptions that I didn't need. Can't believe how much money I've been wasting.
Manje, commission. Hey, that's good. I'm glad to hear that. Hi guys, we're here to look out for each other. It's not easy. And what we need to do is we always need to try our best to share. Because account is a costa yona indo yoba usherishe nabanye bantu man.
Abantu bayabelieve our gatekeeper.
But if it's subscription is andoni.
Oh my gosh, I'm coughing so much. Dave, thanks. Dave was like, you coughed so much yesterday. And I was like, did I cough all the time? Now I'm like, oh, I'm coughing a lot.
Oh, now you're cognizant of it.
Yeah.
Okay. No, shout out to you, Abigail. Good on you. I wonder. And please, more details. What subscriptions were there? How much was it in total?
I believe I got details. Actually, from next year, if I only get details, comment we
Tetile kubas.
I mean, I'm joking, but we like details. Is it me?
Yeah.
Snekuku Mguni says, hey Blings, lovely app as usual. I don't have plans. My parents are from the same kasi, literally 2 streets away from each other. I really wish I had a lolly. Moya.
Wake wayelali nyomdu. Go holidays, we are like a friend.
No. Lali. Ishana man.
Catch along maningo.
Yeah. Exactly.
Oh shucks.
Okay, why?
Time for your beta kwalaba bomba kwalaba yadini time sokoliza. Oh man, so now when you go home,
there's no what's here?
That's crazy. That is wild. That's amazing. God,
but I mean, I'm sure that happens more often than not.
You reckon?
Yes.
And I don't know of any.
Yeah, but I mean, how many do you know?
You understand? Yeah. I mean, I know a lot of people. And the parents are but also we need to find out this thing. But
this is the thing. Abantu, they grew up Landuken is Lalin. Then by is down. Then they met each other is down.
But Lambakulela Kalog is down. Lokshin. And then go grandparent. great grandparent baselalini no grandparent babumuvele nansi ke banabantwana then ngoku badibana aba bantwana 2 streets away benza usnegu
Sakulanda snack groups.
but kokwenu kuphi wena what city
Bye.
okay akho kulo tatakho because kulo tatakho kulo tatakho
Exactly.
thank you very much okay sharp
So what are we saying?
no we're just saying but usually people bathi ziphi lali zakho and what noko ekhaya ekhaya kusembulu but ekhaya kusembulu embulu kulo tata ekhaya mna kuse over Balkans
But likaya lakho futhi.
kulele pha zelele phana kulela pha
I know. But likaya lakho na nelali likaya lakho.
ekhaya lika tata fanele
Are
kulo
you
tata pha
Agogo wenu.
ekhaya kukwatata
But you can say gogo wenu. You
okay.
can say it.
I mean you can say anything
But if you are splitting
tata
hairs,
ngusol case na ekhaya kuso sunset doesn't make it true
you're splitting hairs, yeah, sir.
Linda Taveni uthi Zuko uthini ngeallergex zam in my handbag
Kuthiwa wena.
wena ya phinde ke uphinde ungabi medical aid abantu abane-health risk bayathanda ungabi medical aid umuntu baxela uba asuka ingxaki zam zilungisa i-allergex okay
Which is true.
okay anoyiki uba ne-complications
Fonini, if you're allergic to milk, complications.
okay
You're just gonna let the milk out. That's it.
all right I know it's fine Fonini, if the shoe fits hlala phansi ndikufaka isicathulo nazo isicathulo siyakhala ke ngoku askis man Linda
Nancy Bila Uti, thank you for that perspective on being tired. Nkosi Tamzupela. Also, can I please just, do you remember what your perspective was of being tired? What?
it's a scam
It's a scam.
Zimba udinwanga
Huh?
mendali ngiyabona uba ufuneka uphumlile
Oh.
I think
I thought it was, you can't catch up on your sleep. Yeah. Anyway, also, can I please just reiterate just how much I've always loved Usis Dalita from the first time I found her on Instagram. But also, as Xhosa siblings, y'all are just the absolute bomb.com. Thank you for these sessions. Really feels like chilling with the cousins and just having a catch-up session. Last one. Your laughs are so contagious. I love it. Do you know when I realized our laughs are contagious? When I started laughing.
when you're watching
my jokes.
I do that too sometimes.
Yeah.
I'm just like, this is wild. And uhleka lansini actually. But also nali ixubene nalento ithethwayo but nalansini is lansini iyabiza.
Yeah, it is contagious.
Because yakikitheka isidala sento also. Asithi siyahleka. Never beating the allegations. Ndanga because kumandi uhleka mfethu is healing.
Kwabanye abantu akumandanga.
Andiyazi just because we were just taught to be bold and just enjoy whatever it is esenzayo.
Yeah, siyayihleka into bro.
Yeah. Kamandi futhi I enjoy that so much. Imagine if we weren't funny. Usingathanda uhleka.
Life would be very normal.
Sure.
Yes, because bakona abantu exactly.
100%. Chantel Ramasinya Uti, y'all influenced me to buy sneaker shampoo from Walk Fresh, and I've had it since 27 October, and I remember it when I see the ads every week. I've been planning to open it.
Chantel. Mhlawumbe Chantel ngumuntu we-sandals ne-heels. So iteki zakhe they aren't, they don't get dirty often. I get it. It's been a month now.
You're going to feel like uzithengele impahla ze-Christmas because your shoes are going to be so clean. I use it. I use it ever so often. Use a lawe trickster. Money trickster. ndispray lapho ndiyiteki andihlambi iteki ndonqeni man. But yeah, I mean, yes, correct. No, very fair. I found Mbali.
I'm glad we influenced you. That's cool.
No, 100%. I know we're doing the Lord's, brother.
Abathengisi ndikashambu mawaphakamise izandla.
Just put a hand. Yes, just put a hand in the comment section.
Bawuthengile sifuna ubona something.
Yeah.
Thanks, Chantel. Uti uzama jumba mgudlwa. This was such a calm episode, Sana Sidinwe Nyani, to be honest. Yay! My plans are going home to the Eastern Cape. Ayom kiti ndoni ini tsimbi. I also have a wedding to attend on the 29th of December. Then I'll just have a peaceful New Year celebration, Jane. I'm hoping to rest, though, from the 12th to the 17th.
Lekker.
I'll call plans then, but I have. But if Guvele Indo, I'll be there. And this is the thing. Another thing, but no matter you are more than apt to attend.
Ukuthi bazalwane lifike lixesha bamathengisa ibhedi because awuzoyinida. Uthi sendine bhaya ke mnake. Yeah, magaze nathi siyasivurufaya man, all in the name of December.
And then ngoJanuary.
For ngoJanuary kaloku uzabhina organizing uzaba ibhaya wena.
Thenga ibhedi yomnye.
Ayiwo.
Ongenamali ozothenga ibhedi.
Oh yes, ozothenga ibhedi because ke yena naye uqombe it's fine wethu. Dala ndalala phansi.
Umando lala phansi. Do you remember when I was sleeping on the floor?
Only back problems ngela xesha boy. Ulala phansi full time.
It was so nice though.
Ne? Do you ever do it now?
Ay! Palace tiles in. Yo. I think about it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm like, I wish I could sleep on the floor.
Good, bro.
No, it's cold.
Sakondlala lo.
Iintoni ezingaphi? Oh, yini nabawo.
Okay, don't do it. Palesa, Lesa uti, wanting a community outside of Groove is so hard to find and isolating, especially if you're constantly around people who only want to groove. I don't know.
So here's the thing, right? People grow up in mature in stages.
Mm-hmm.
And so the people that you have been with usually are all your age and maybe in the same grade or whatever. Yeah. You guys are all growing up. And then other people at 21 are like, yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. And then other people are continuing. And then abanye, they fall off at 22, 25, 37. Wherever. So we can't all grow at the same rate.
But kaloku Mphalisi naye makehle kule bhasi yeGroove.
Uhlile.
Okay. Kaloku mhlambi uyoyika lento uba isolated. It's hard to find. I choose ibhasi because xa usehla ebhasini yeGroove funeka ukhwele enye ibhasi. Because if awukhweli enye ibhasi uzawuma pha umane kudlula ibhasi zomGroove. Yes. You must decide by which bus you want to jump on. Uphume kule bus ukhwele kule bus.
Yeah.
Lendo, I found a relationship where you get out of one and get into another. Le you funeke unantsike ukhwele enye ungathathi iz breaks.
True, but also you need to be comfortable with the fact that lo bus izoba empty. Emptier than what
buses needs for nabantu.
Yeah, but it's maybe not empty is the word, but it's going to feel different. It's going to feel very different. And you have to pull a lot from yourself. Because it's easy to pull from your friends. Do you know what I mean?
And I think that also comes with forming an identity. To say, well, okay, cool, this is who I am, this is what I like.
Yes.
And then once you find that commonality, and
I think that's what feels isolating, is the fact that now you have to start making your own choices about things that you actually like. You have to find out what you actually like. Because it's easy to like what the group likes, you know? And so it can feel isolating to start making your own choices for yourself.
Yeah, for sure.
But that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, definitely. Thanks for that, Pali. And we hope you can get something from that. Unonceba uthi asifuni uhamba ebusuku and asifuni ungalali emakhaya. Zuphela 2025. I like that. We also need to talk about the hype man as is the questions.
What do you mean?
Ay, why ningalale makhaya? Shi.
What? Uyanibuza fonini bakuthe ningaguti uphi?
Ayikho fair kodwa man Lando. Chi, ubhatala imali for uba uyobuza questions uphendule na.
Kumandi uphendula
bro.
And if awufuna uphendule, you don't have to.
Bro, and you have to keep abreast of yonke lento eyenzekayo. Hey, naku amabele ebusweni bendoda. Hey. Hayi bo, bamnanda bafana. Yazazi into zegroup. Okay, bamnanda bafana.
Boys are delicious.
Asisono ngawo.
So do you know ungazazi izinto funi nama? I used to be a young lady. What? And that's the don't go. I'm an auntie.
I can't. I am like Sister Lita on the football one. I am a die-hard fan of Sundowns locally and Liverpool in the Premier League. I watch football religiously, so I am that girlfriend who can hold a conversation.
Gento that you have nothing to do with.
I mean, and also it's a conversation that never ends.
No.
Who is better, Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo?
And we're gonna xambulisana. No, bro, I don't like it.
Yeah.
Like when I'm watching football, and a lot of the time I watch with, people who are Arsenal fans, and they will xambulisana. I will never, I'm always just like, yeah, that sucked.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, bra, i-opinion yakho ngokuzondilanduka nge-opinion yam.
Yoqhama abantu betha ngememory man abantu
Ukhumbula yonke into.
Yo, yakhumbula fonini. Season 2022. Kwayi game entondoni ngoApril. Wow.
No ways.
Wow.
And analo lo xesha lokhumbula ezo deaths. Okokoko.
Unayo memory.
No, anayo. Yeah. Also, let me not say xesha. It's the memory I do not have.
I guess the vibes is got your nail, I guess. Thank you for that.
No, thanks, your nails. Thank you. Uthi Miss Ihlanati. Msihlanati. Going home after 6 years. Buried utatam in 2019 and only went back 2020 for my brother's wedding. Anxiety because andifuni but ndiyafuna, if that makes sense. Yes. Makade adlulelo December, so I climb le Mount Everest dijongene nayo.
Kawuye msihle.
Yeah, go man.
Hayi kawuye msihle.
No go.
Yeah.
I'm trying to.
Yeah, no kawuye because I'm pretty sure but even not going comes with its own things every year, you know what I mean? Go, see, find out. You find out you find out Chile. And everything of the absolute best, man. Timer. Yeah, kawuye man. I think you'll benefit more.
Yeah, and you've made a decision to go, which means you can't have a part of you that wants to go home and reconnect. It can be very lonely out here, man.
Yeah.
And also you won't regret it, that's for sure.
Sure.
And le Everest ujongileyo might just be indulu nje.
Correct.
Uyibona as Everest.
Yes, kaka uyibona ikude ngathi nkulu kake the more you sondela ubona ikhona ne pathway mos apha unyuke ube grand. So yeah, I know everything of the best with that, huh?
Go with God, bro.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Absolutely. And that brings us to the end of this show. Yeah. So thank you guys for the comments. Thank you for your contribution that you have to this show. Klasa salista with JSE. So you'll have first option.
And I know some of you guys just watch Upling Line and you don't watch anything else, which is fine. But ningaposa because kuzabakho awards. The sibling rivalry. Up his feet.
I hope I win.
Also winner nina abahlali.
Yeah.
And if you have any categories that you want us to definitely look into, that would be great.
Yeah.
But Sizabane awards for Nina.
All right.
And the Bling Liners are obviously involved too.
Happiness is. And while we wait for that, you guys must just remember to love each other. You want to love each other with some touch. And they are not in gaps. Cheers, guys.
Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling Line.